What's up guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. On this channel I create content on how you can earn money online as a crypto trader, as an affiliate marketer. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to participate in this RIO network testnet. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video till the end and follow my step-by-step guide. So guys, this is a new blockchain and they are currently on testnet. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned and watch this video till the end. I have a step-by-step guide that you can help you in order for you to complete this testnet. So let's get started. The step one is for you to get faucet, that is Ethereum faucet. When you copy this link, you go to your browser, you paste it. Okay, so it will bring out this page for you. Paste in your wallet address, complete this captcha and click on send me ETH. The ETH has been sent to my wallet successfully. Another stage is the stage 2. You copy this link and go to your browser. So guys, what we are doing in step 2 is to restake. So you copy this link and paste it on your browser. Here, this is what it will bring out to you. Connect your wallets. Make sure your wallet is connected. We have balance of 0.04. Here you can put 0.01 and click on Restake. We need to confirm the transaction. So guys, successful restake is 0.01 ETH. This restake has been successful. Now let us proceed to the next stage. The next stage is step 3. You copy this link, you will go and request for withdrawal. Okay, so guys, let's copy this website, that is this link. Go to your browser, the link will direct you to this page. Okay, make sure your wallet is connected. Okay, now you can click on maximum or you can just type any amount and request for withdrawal. So I am requesting for 0.005 ETH. So you click on request for withdrawal and you will confirm the transaction in your wallet. So I use my maximum amount. Okay, so withdrawal request has been sent, so we are waiting for it to be confirmed. So guys, successfully requested to unstake. It has been successful. Okay, now let us proceed to the next phase. So guys, the next thing is to give feedback. So you click on this link, you copy it and you go and paste it on your browser as usual. The link will direct you to this page. Okay, click on start and answer some of these random questions. When you get to the number 10, you can type nice project and click on OK. Number 11, you can write this: RIO is a network for issuing liquid risk-taking tokens. I love it. And you click on submit. So guys, we are done with the testnet. We truly appreciate your time. Thank you. So the next thing is to copy this on and make sure you are following them on Twitter. Make sure you enable notification in order for you to stay tuned in their upcoming announcements. You can see that I'm currently following them. Okay, so here is where you can activate the notification. So guys, this is how to participate in this RIO network. If you find this video useful and if you love what I'm doing here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell in order for you not to miss my upcoming videos. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.